prophet kings composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Her favorite song, but you never prove you saw her baby.